Yami go susrai.
Asomdwe kan bacha bell mic na ne wafom. Thank you.
No be a ye di nkomo a wo se wa bie mic na ma ben no mo amekasa mo bo.
Na ma activity. Na ma activity o.
Ye won suro ni pa.
Dem mo kan na confirm mo.
Ye di nkomo wa ha wo se wa activate afa edu se me kasa me mic.
Na wo kasa no vim nim.
Oh, e wo se suro.
O se me de obi asuro me. Enti no. Obi asuro me enti enye.
Na na ye ntiase. Lumba se de o kan no no. Na no wo kire bi e ti satisfy se enye sa.
O kan say
I say shout about it.
My one ensemble.
So must be to a radio anymore. Ebrana me ya bofrano. We are singing na yimi mayo. Me too many anensa. Mene numbers basanina. Sana papa swani wa meso. Ni many na so na mensako. Adom rade mi abefie. Me se wana jidi da se. Ohiani bapa mesa. Ama ube wa ma ube bi enyina. Amwa be yo brempon. Ama ni dia cheti ama manso. Daddy lumbe manyani dawa. Iti ja jinji ja usi. Neka hu say. Shout about it, shout about.
Nah, okay.
Yeah, ready to current jaisu.
Ale uncle voice training ana.
Ade you know him that the next say.
Emma waka.
Uncle voice training ana.
Voice na they know him that the next say. Shama why.
As well. I'm not going to ask him drink out.
Enka so.
Baby aboko there.
Adom ninti.
Ya do bad ya say.
Na won so
na meti ase yekwa.
Da ye sorry ye.
Den.
Na na wa chefufu nkudimdie bia ba na.
Da me chefufu.
Sa on.
Nkudimdie
bia. First time me hu ne nani.
Da me chefufu.
Okay.
Wani nye abna. Da me chefufu. Bisa wana bisa ya yiwa da me chefufu.
Awana.
I'm always in white.
Oma kambi.
Onya fufu say na.
Once I wanna candy, I wanna kan ka menyin tum. But I wanna candy my dear.
I say for why. Onya now the red kakra eto ha.
It's ya no wa red na the white na bo ho.
I say
o see e for there, what there red.
I just try there kakra ba me so ha.
O jade.
Ne dia.
Be se kambu. Trouser red, top yellow. The flag not enough. White white so patano kama.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Will beat no way.
Beats no ho.
Akwaka baby.
Debbie, e ho pa. I wanna be so no.
Debbie, I wanna be so I wanna know who here now. Wanna know who be able Hey. Debbie, who obisa so dia koja baby ana.
Na me kasa.
Na wana no me ni ma da wo na wana do achi ana.
Na me kasa my ene se munjai konkonsa ni pa wasa.
Ewe ya kana wachi. Hey. Akase wo ta go beat na me hu na me busa.
Me go beat wana.
Ba wa you go ya na wana no baby ade go ya.
Me go beat.
Wa kram so nka baby ade go ya.
Me go beat. Yeah. Be so she beat out na be.
Asampa.
Yeah, me too.
Enkomo na oni Jerry Justice.
Yeah.
Edia obi e phone lines no hwe ya kwantimpon enfrinfrin no ho e hotumi foa ma no to na gisensem twofo fato ye ho so ene yakochi ni abodawuro ni aka ho asem saa na behunu no na assembly sa akwan na enfrinfrin na fo no e so mase no e no makwakodo ba bia ye typical pan no e ye sa ayi ensawom Ufa and some honoma from some junction. It's me for crumple between dobru na the baba besi best ama samai. Na kwam na se yo moye kwan yo moye yi no ene mo ada ho kakra. Ye ka say kwakwa she free. And some junction e de twemu akoti mantene ade. Emuofuofuo da wonim say aban di sika ba ya. Omudi edua ya sensensem bi okwan ni mu. Ene ni nyina da ni wura. Nti wo so kompa koyi mu a wontumi yi ma ne nka de ye bo ho kadua ye no enye possible. Age udo ni nyina tugu. Ensawom de ba ya ye koyi a ho stand up ni ade na ayi ensawom adroji aban kra chepani no ema prisoners bi ko hu prisons officers si eno mo kodo e asempa nanu ya me free nkoko e ba no medru honom no e ho se efu ama ebebunkam afa kwan no so na krofo sem ni ye bokro no na ebu won masa wo se ka e ba na e kevo so a wo hunu ka o wanim because of said ye enwura no afua ayentia ena asase ye o won say anopan koma wudi no ebi mo the various locations yes sin free hodom no omo de ba won so pasi entinwura no ebi awo no matwaja tum entu behunu no den aban ne bo ho ka na eye grass ayedua ni nyina no ne ase no na ewia mu nyina ye se kumo ka epu ye wisi wo kwan so no ne ya san asiwura na no soso no ewura ye hunim ne nyina na eye air pollution so ahun enti no sa ya kwantempo no ene mfimfini asem ka de asempa enye asema megidi se betumi awie ne ne enti no sa hye na ye hye no na emwa yempe kwan pa ye befa so enam nim se ba bia so akwan ni mfimfrafo bia no ehyemansin bia se enti aban kratefo no mo deda samansi na no eyo masudie say assembly na wo say po bi obabedo anasa ye hwan no omo ni wudwuma man na ne hye no de emwa yen ne hye no emwa because yes no say fifo no ba bi bebre hot ma street light sisi obi kra de ba say ni area hodom no obi asia street light nyina because eja no any direction enti say dua na si hon mo say de na si hon mo ebese no 8 years as a padding.
My boy, person, come on,
Tiasam na mekano.
Nothing with you.
So I say,
I had the assume Tiasamo.
Ain't you no Shaman, Ain't Tiasam na ye cano. Mansi, I would do na a yo masudino. Omuni wujuma famayen. Na a quino, a mufono, and yet. Hey, yet meeting us a pan, and I said, I was what the ayaka crow. I was see. Sa efi pokwase kwa wosi no enrate mi fuaa ma wansha obeka se kwaye adan me wan assembly member de bi onam ho obekwa no abanka chepade de bi onam ho emrase bedwani kwa de bi onam ho no mo enti ye de bi ayentena se na nyi nsem na to yentem nsi wo ho ansa na yehunu se da bi adwen na kwa ho am yehunu se ade we no wuye ni yanka ye papa emoto no enye enhwehan no enye atrenche mo maye basabasansi ya dwen kwaso ade bi wo no ma ekoso enye e wo se etu ho anamo enti asempa san komo ya Jerry Justice ya na meka jeje so ahu wode mu nkobode ba ya hye bi wo Facebook ya hunu sa de etie no yese motorway ya na onam so munyina ewisie wo behunu he ekwan so ya pache ama wo tai fa to krompa neto na masa de wisie age kwan na fa wo pese ku ni pa na asebo ye de
abna somdwen kan medase ye mfiase
aha omo se omo hye na giden because minim se ye kwan wi ya boka na ya to sa loans no yeti sika na ye atosa grass no na ye dua na ya pe obi ebetua ne ka obe water so enti efa hin na yedru so man ya no nti abra so se yetwa to ade a ye de sika dua because that grass no eno amfifi se no afifi mpo a ebetutom eti se be ye uniform se de ne ye de hu asata na omanfo akura atwa music video wo so no should tell you say yetam sika na yedua no maako eni epe obi ma ne gu sunsuo maako ansa na etumi anyina ka mai fefefesa eti die na asi enu nti ehunu say the only solution na epaba eti ebedo de yentwa jantum na nhia na eti ebewia sa akodua foforo na
adono krada no choba enye ye because afu afra lons no won asa flower like a grass no mudia ye no afu afra wo de memfa won kwakire ye wi afa kwan so ye ti he ya e wo de me kokoye stand up hunu se de na flowers no na enra na mudia ye no enyini ni nyina afra ensensan na nyi wo mu ama chese wo ye de koyimpo na ye yie enti no sika na yase no eno ano no
asamo anyway ye beba primpanifo hamo ye in charge na fe ye ne o matwetwe nko ma tre mu de enti a omutimi twa gatum na ensu atwa gusu na se afu bio ni abedo yemfiase me bacho yemhwe daily graphic on I don't know about daily guy in the crowd okay abena fiase mai
mate na me the daily graphic da bokrata esase ma ma mema wache ebiem na mema wakwa ba ente me hu se adofo bebre no a de obo Facebook messenger e de omo birthday na toto won mo meye de ama mo kama na wo hye da bokrata daily graphic mu a Kadlin Adi enfodi da ha ono na oye chairperson Adom National Commission for Civic Education NCCE eye asoye wo no ehwe church o man ba pa bia no wasede na asama chairperson editu dwane se enche bia Ghana for bekwa bato so afi we ye 2023 na 2024 eba bedura ne sa na ebedura no wa woni mu de man Ghana nim sa do kokro mo tebe kwa kwato aba December 7 akoyi kandifo wo se ene no kame se eba no amanyosem ene abato mu a enipa bi de atutrasam na so mani so na sa atutrasam na wo de so mani so no ebekwa wi echi no de abesane wo na wo a wonka bi hyemu wadi udem na wase wade wase wo yetemamuni na wo so beto aba wase wo hyese wo bia wo ye tutrani atutrasam bata na brabo ho no wo fa kokromoti ma ne tumi da wase obibia na no krompo de aka tutrasem a wosusu se da bi nsem a wokekan wo chena bi abato breto a ebetumi di nsunsuanso bi abɔ man so wase se breso na onya kwanya no akokromoti no fato oba etia no wase sa kwan no na beboa ama amanyosem a Ghana eye no ɛho bɛte na dini na eye de adi mpunto ebebro man no wei ene nsem ama me di tudwa wosia ensemtwefo nyina ɛna nyomo edi nkɔbɔ bobɔ so de wase Ghana for ehye mu eye 2024 ye gusu ahoboa so 2023 wo mode kono wo de beye adwuma eno ho asem e wo daily graphic da bokrata no kratafa etoso miensa na emu ano mede wo bekọ kratafa etoso du miensa ahan so no amane eda hanom eye de enhwehwemu no so ede aba ene entetemu ahodo a wo mo eche se ede ba wonim se na enra asempa eye constitution day eye mamrada na enra no bebre no motena fie no omunnim eda no na de ban omunnim de kire ena omunnim de gina homa ne dia ne se de dada yenim no eye holiday for fida entitina fie enti omutumi enjoy long weekend ne de enjoy ye pa na emu no ena daily graphic ene omanfo binum akodi nkomo na omuso ye Ghana for mo ka bi ewom ebima sem omo ka de kira ban no ne se saban no de abanse 7 January bia eye constitution day dia ene na esanso ya ban na sudie ese obenya daje na wo ma chiche mu ama temamuni no ahunu se anya bia no constitution day no ejina ho de ma ejina ho ma bi ejina ho ma si edi enti na da bi etise no yedi enye sa no a Ghana ni no wado be fa no se dada holiday na omudidi edidie no wo be fa no se ye no abia e na asanso ba biem no enye sa na ema eda na wo mo ehwe se Ghana fo ebedie no wonni ntiase wo mo a emfaso bia ma so emfa ma wo eno eni nchemu a Ghana fo bi no mo edi aba ya daily graphic so achocho de egu eye kratafa etoso edumiensa wo saka bi na kenkan abehunu se nchemu ni nyina no ewom na wo hyemu a daily graphic se eda no so sonye no dodo no a board ma wo bebe no onim se constitution day no so no eye de ba ye ncheye ya nkrofo etitifie na se gira ho de so mampani mu we ye de ye hwa 30 years nie ya ka ma me kan bi pass ye de mra ye adwuma na odu kokromotie kwakoche kanifa wo pe no wo mo chese no so ba bebo ade na abebo ade sa no a na e wo se wo tie ase no na daily graphic de aba kratafa so miens dumiensa ha no na minima dia sempa sa wo hye se ya ho se no senior high schools no emu akandifo ni mpanyifo kire se oma ya hoboa bibia ye ready a omo etwen oma omo eba eye form 2 continue students form 2 the form 3 for no eso omo beba na eye freshers no so ba beka ho na anigi sema ewo de mekenkan yimu no ene se we de ansampo no mu bebie no wo mo kire se enuane a ewo se school sinya ene omo de amakwada na aduane no omo di no wo mo kire se omo de ha mo chichim be sadu no ena akọ ntebi mo sa ka omo de a ena konkosi na wie ye de bebre na so ensa beka de na panyifo chese we na 20% na ekono 80% aka no aye so a omo bie school na watwe mienu ntem no 80% no so be kwa kodru na eno na omo chese National Food Buffer Stock Company Limited no na eye offices ahodro ye mantam no eye enwasua so ye no ene wo makasa eso wo mo hye so betumi supply sa nuane no ediama eno so ho asem eda ha na sere panyifo eka no say o ye mamu 20% of enuane ene ye so hwemu a abro kakra mo kakra binsi kakra ene ade no so ebe so nkwada na sene wadidie mu no mama ye 20% no ni 80 amashe bosa yeso na watwe mienu no mumani nkodi besa bosomi mienu ekonanim eme no so me yasem kan ye meda ho ma ye me ye dede masukufoi ebe ye video hodro ma monte so no maba bedine be kasa nya no kre momfo senye oyo de mo kan mo fanya dwuma eno ene de what daily graphic anim ha saying na president Edma Charles ene a conference of heads of assisted secondary schools Reverend Father Stephen Owusu Sechere ono ene chese ne members ni nyina no aya hobo awia omode twen say school bebie na school fon kwada no ebeba na wose ye bi man ensa komadua ne ebi so de no ena mokwan so no so ho asem ewo daily graphic da obo krete ne fa eto so dumi ensa mede edunsia no ena ebewie ama wo na ehai no ena eye panyin bi emfoni edaha asem no nyina no eye eto ya aban bi aba aban bi ba otumete so obi ba no de kakra to so se ye kasai no ena eto no ekonanim na eno ena eye yera oforidote wono eye chairman edema AB and David Africa eno ye Pan African law firm bi a eno so ewo ha sei na asem a wo kan se ebraso a wo se oman Ghana etna se na empanyefo ehemra me etimi dimra no eye adwuma no enhye se ewoso mo peba bi pege eto a wose Ghana fo etua no anaso manfo ne tua no omo pege eti se eye 15% anase 20% a edru ho a aban beba aban be ko bie no ho no betumi abeto etuo mu amana broso esanse we ba no wo de kakra beto so we ba no de kakra beto so no eba no sa na ya na egu adwuma emomman no so emu ye den enti se pepepe ye be ye adwuma pa na Ghana fo ni manfo ho beto wo mu a de wo sempanyifo ye ne se ombe pege ene ye se edaha ma edaha wo ba na adru ho ma ontumi fa bi nka ho na eno so no aboa na amagana fo hunu se ene eha no ma ejine no ye ne se afebo ebegina ho no anaba bia we no akabe se amutiche mu be edunum ansa na yadu ba bia ya pege de agina no nti no so no wototo onioma aye wo hyehye bia no wonya sante ase no e wo ho no wodi bedu dwuma eno eho asam e wo ha se ya daily graphic abomu amane e wo kratafa eto so edunsia ene edunso asempa
anacho ba meda se fa daily guide ne to aso abna pokwa hwene asomdwen kan fa daily guide ne to aso na fa yenko
guide obo krata ni the big one. Osi NPP decides January 31 for elections. Justin Kodia Frimpong JFK. Ni mfoni da kwa katafan ye toso miensa. JFK de nsema tuja na watch se NPP amanyoko na tena se January bosumi wo mne de a chat workra 31st no. Eno mbehwe eda odi besi wonu wayi mpanimfo a wo mbegina se flag bearers no mo apre mampanyina dwa afimpinu ene aduonu na abato no emu na ochrem se gurus bi ewo amanyoko no mu kire se be yanka omonfa wo mo pese o mu gina premier se bedwa no so se bia wasempa so pese okopre MP a ewo MPP mu 2024 ya omo hwe se omo de bekeka ho
mame constituency
adakulu ewo so obelus o de MPP pa de menye so se be ko ya aba enti no wase wo mudi be shi
ade wo kwa wo ko nyina MPP ana
baby the constituency when MPP am fama no
anti se bia obekọ for NDC
aweda MPP asem so ne yeke wase me man constituency
obeda hu se me ne first person am win for MPP in that constituency
emfama wa woni mi se emfa ja
ade nti de emfa
o papa kura ni mi se emfa
ade nti de emfa wo ntre mu bia na
SKW chali de kura ni mi se emfa
obeda hu se
SWK chali de
ne papa no edi no na anim ni nyina asan oh okay
se frada kulu
frada kulu
na mama me su frada jope enti front page no de da hodo no wakire mu a manfo bi kasa se be ya nkomo hwe na wo mo begina mrahye bedwa so apere no wonfo mo de enka be ndo de are to decide enti eno wo daily guide obokwatem and afei story way breaks my heart. A taxi driver murdered at Mampong. And Rambi who said better page.
Yeah, I think said me story bizarre. Yeah, much train and I some small car be taxi can't yeah.
Yeah, the registration number do you na e wo ha say 1514 -17 and no much share the 9 at share the nsa no mo de na to back seat. And na chese nipa boni fo bi atimi edi obi kunu wo se me ku adwuma aba wa mabiem. Ya no ya re ho sem papa na mpanifo chemu se omahunu nipa kura wo ye friend of Frederick Kwedu Frederick Kwedu
amache nipa kura
nipa na
we film no
okay na ya identify as a time a ebeto dwa ba se posifo chire mu a omahunu nipa kura wo nipa na omo kum no na ba ko nso wa ha sofo eye Agenasare Perez Dome NDC amanyoko na bato omoto ye ne mu mpanimfo no Johnson Asiedu Nkatia General Mosquito miame fifi ave waka ho bi ne mpanimfo ahodo bitimi kopie mu hokoda nyame ase en wo tufu se So wo you say be dia manyoku ani ma chese se bi wo nyansa e chese wo ni mu de e chese wo ahofama enti sa niam na delegates ne share ye omudi yi ma ayi wo mo no omo hwe no mo abodi omo su no omo ban ensam fata mpanimfo de nyese edidi bre na ma enso na sabi wana monto no nyoma bi ense se wo ye panyine mu nsem e wo na we anu na mini ha tinim se ma wura mu enti me ha me ho nche make me o anu na mini ha ti ba minim se ma wura mu
well make me o fast story na Kofi me bacho quickly ya nyan ntsm se MPP 4% mo responded to that particular story enti no Kofi bacho man fast story na from na ye ne omo chinchin komo preko yeah
ye de ye wo ho eni ehunu se we ofa ayi a daily guide the big 6 omo da ha say big 6 ya redefining no
any ahwan mo
ayenya nkroma ne ayimu de ni bia we ye new big 6 alerts afa na wo mo aba nti make me one na pamfo wo mo agina ha na say the latest one is time video ne ba na Ghana fo so mu no no manfo BBC me kra me say I've been to the Jubilee House countless times I would do work with Yanamboa ye je wo phone to contain What do Jubilee House? We na card ya wo kohwe na. Ye je wo phone, gadgets, akadia bia obetum dey secret recording. Akadia bia obetum dey chop footage and also pictures. Ye jifri won nsem.
Yeah.
And I make me on answer be say na do no mu say ye video near the small ye be
camera be.
That one alone is not even allowed. Etuna manfo busa say eye den no mu ana omo ya America fo ntia. Ti na emo kwa mo mu Jubilee ko twitwa ne mama che say nkonwa mpanimfo tena so for my Ghana ho adwene. Kwabra ne te so de ne nan egu table so na tawakuta no.
Yeah.
And we've seen these pictures trending. Now, Mikmela delete sa video no. Me yoko post it to you know. We delete. And wapa Ghana for che say we dey to Twitter. Say enye se bi obetwa ye Jubilee House and say Flagstaff House no say we dey kohoro Ghana for na so dey kogu ye ni ma se bi. Na mo mo pese we dey Ghana music industry ni ekọ ba e mo wa se we ne shata mo anye collabo. Senka person music industry pega dia shaka sa kwade mo
Stone Boy mo
ba ko na say wo ya tia dey na de Kofi Kinata say wo dey say we super wetim de na collabo na ko afa nkwala ni bia ka ho yi mo Angela mo ni we mo ni bia ka ho na ni wo ma ye collabo ni hu say wo de Ghana music industry ni eko nya Jubilee and we no the other Facebook na ni big 8 no me 8 and na the other hand big 6 no me 9 eti video na that Facebook no awo hwe no ka ho ase wo kase no make me abepa chew see emfanche na mom ye twan say managers of the presidency and our managers of the Jubilee House omode de ntia we yesi if they have any minimum say obi nyana de kwa ebi omo reasons nti omo ane ba and then make mo so na pamfo so e ka asem ma ne to makoma so ansa na omo kwa mama be yes ade because it's not allowed nti no de ntia anyansa sama nkofo ne kan ye to omo tirim ye omo da nu nti omo sa akwanya no omo fa ngu krata so mekire ana say omo frɛ ncheche mu nkire ye ba deka enti we ne nsama hodo bia the daily guide obokwata no de aba ewa ha say
anancho ba home so answer na be fa another story no me anhwe se crop ya asante aba homa no so a na deputy communication director Adom, the New Patriotic Party Yanyantia said they want to respond to this particular video Mikmail at the presidency and producer Mbacha Wonsaka na say ya concern for first answer okay yanto aso what the concern for first answer onyana
so far there it's work as a mensem no
okay daily guide yana sound okay great abnapoku adia hena or the twaso
na the new crusading guide the bokrata ena mede ebeto aso na wo share kratafeto so miensa no a bo amane o se Ghana aban no ene African Continental Free Trade Area AFCFTA kabum na womo ede inaugural leaders Africa Prosperity Dialogue series bi omo de ahyehyɛ so na ebekɔ so bosumi a ewom ya ne de to so aduonu nsia ede kosire de to so aduonu wɔtwe so ye ebedu ho ne kyese bosumi na ekɔ na wie ya ne sɛ nkrofo ayɛ dodo na emu no na womo ekyese anamontuo bi a Africa Prosperity Network APN
homeso kakra na fe yenkwa ahoma no se busiafo Ernest Osubempa deputy communications director at the Mother New Patriotic Party wa join here Osubempa what here kan asumdwen kan official panzo
official say no what to my bedding
ya me ne hene
I don't know
o say
I don't know
so say ma what to bedding
na say ya say papa ana
so men kan je so mesi ya wo bi onti na we
oh na say de nje me na me makuma so ade obusa me na me ka kire
mate me da say asundwe nka o so bibi abakode
oh but say ya Adom ma me wo ye papa na ozo e
nyame ti ase ye kram mo so bempa ye gina mu kakra ye bom pa sa fi bibi abetuto ye na Ghana fan into my pefra great. Also, make mail video no me jidi say wa hwe bi. Okay. But first of all, me pentre kakra. Before I will be to me acquire music video, sir, the presidents, you know, what is the process?
I mean, music video say.
It said there mimi hui a music video as obi tonyom sani ekano music video or tonyom no wecha video. At the presidency, what is the process?
Me dedika mechi our team for first of all, no, as Otias said, it was not a deliberate music video, and I ran to the Babonti. Permitted to say Jubilee House a man permission say on Congo drive music video. You have to make that clear.
Okay.
Say and yeah, he went through the process, he went through the protocol and everything.
Okay.
But he didn't seek permission from the authorities at Jubilee House. Say the film me, you know, as what the Babonti by the that's why he came to apologize.
Okay.
But you know, you're making it clear,
that's fine.
He went through all the protocols to get to where he went to. And number two, there's what says, baby, videos, you know, public space. I work with Jubilee House, that you know where the big hall at the Jubilee House after the outer reception, you see, say a lot of people come there. The outer reception where they sat and took those pictures, and the other one, a lounge or outer perimeter of the Jubilee House.
Okay, but me too.
And of filming, and under normal security protocol wise, you seek permission before you release those. And not come on the video, music video, I will come once. And get deliberate say, "Obi a swap camera say me baby music video Jubilee House near man ancestry no
right." Okay, and see at least seek permission and sana or yeah is that the case?
No, what I'm saying is Sir Oba Ababimu president with the protocol, and he has sought permission through his link diaspora to come and see the president. Oba obviously as a superstar like him, or one camera crew and they're normal. That's the protocol procedure. But
we've seen a lot of musicians omufia man on their bar, also camera crew we've not seen them in a mixed video like this they also go almost seek clearance president and they walk away. Yeah,
I agree with you 100%.
So
on one kasa how the social media he came out to apologize because Jubilee House and now the presidency didn't give him the permission.
So at the time, no, we'll come to putting out the video. Let's deal with the video itself.
Okay.
At the time, all your video, no, were people there at the Jubilee House? Or who say all your video, no?
I know they're not but the point is that once you've been getting access, say media people, mobile press conference, now mobile, go through process, but all camera crew do it here. When you enter there, whatever you film, it can be, it depends on how you see it.
No, but also I was thinking, sir, coming to respond to it, and at least you should have found out, sir, what exactly went on. And Sana, what Babe responded.
As a boss, the bottom line is that Nipano go through the process. A procedure or go through protocol, and when you access. That's very important.
Also,
Number two.
Yeah, okay.
Number two.
Yeah.
Yes, what you here they say. Once you keep permission from the Jubilee House before putting out the video. Of course, of filming. A lot of people saw him of filming. Said
two things. Once you keep permission before putting out the video, or seek permission and sana or your video, no.
Obviously, or the camera crew or or Namo or Kono or Jubilee House or no Omkotiki, whatever on a president meeting or Moban. Obviously, they took some videos.
Also, yes. Do you know for a fact to say Osiki permission and Sana or yes video no?
Say Osiki permission from who? The authorities at the Jubilee House.
Of course.
Of course, once he's given a protocol and access, of course.
Does it mean
there are certain things that
take
camera so kuta camera now camera crew ko baby na say bia obi for me unexpectedly. Sometimes you will not be in the eye to know, you will not be in the know it. So a president was see from Oba, the lounge where they came to wait, the waiting area, they took some videos there.
Also, are you saying, sir, we unexpected video?
That is why he has sought and apologized.
No, we are not talking about his apology. We are talking about Ghana. We'll come to Mebacho. Respectfully, Mebacho. Let me make my point at here. We'll talk about his apology. We are dealing with Ghana and the presidency. Dear are you telling us and yet deliberate because in a camera crew following they just decided to do some video? Is that what you are saying?
Let me who the head and tail of what you are saying too.
Also, Bempa, I asked 2 questions. First of all, Osiki permission and sa no ye video way. Osi and yet deliberate. So are you saying, sir, and yet deliberate? On a nam ho or tinam kunyanim na or muchaya just to make a music video?
Music video, be a seven make a music video no yeah. When she keep permission.
Okay.
And no yes, a music video no. And now or the better
when she keep permission, that's number 1. That be me person me
when she keep permission, of course.
When she keep
permission, and I've made it that clear to you.
Pause there. When she keep permission, and or the music video. Now the scenes that we are seeing at the Jubilee House, and yet one scene, we've seen the red carpet, the walkway, we have seen the waiting room, we have seen the podium. And at the time, when she keep permission, there was nobody there to say, oh, why are you doing this or don't do this?
There was nobody there. Like how?
Also, Bemba.
The Obine entourage at Jubilee House. They have a camera crew. Obviously, they will film them walking through to wherever they want to go and meet the president. That is protocol-wise. There's nothing wrong with that. There are a lot of people, top dignitaries, Omaba presidents here. They film them from the entrance out to wherever they're going to meet the president, which is allowed.
Okay, also remember, I know the Jubilee House entrance very well. Meaning, baby, I Fadira Jubilee House, Fadira Koshia president. In this video, who said the forecourt of the Jubilee House or so, I'm asking a question, if I may. Thank you. Forecourt one on any entourage honoso, a honor mo fire and son of president.
Hello?
Metiopa.
Now, forecourt who say dignity be about Ghana Hanoma, Wabi president, I have filming order.
Also, Bemba, I'm not talking about the filming. We are talking about video.
Question say, Miss Wibusa question say, Jubilee House on. Forecourt to honor mo from Yano. Since Yenny free a dear, who say, a man penny for Aquatra, who say, forecourt to one dignities about. And now penny be an penny phobia or more mine, and now say, any other person or your official be about a moment filming honor.
I have seen a lot of artists, any dignitaries are bar. Forecourt or what I see is a parade or more inspective. Forecourt or what I see is they walk through. I've not seen any artist. I've not seen any president what bar at the forecourt or more guhua or more Saya music video. I've not seen that. Tell me.
I have seen a video. Musicians or local musicians, BTS Akodie, Aba at the forecourt. Only president that take pictures or more videos or any other tips, I just say, or my presidency.
Thank you.
President
Thank you. What about a musician Sakodie or Bahone president or much video or more nanti or much pictures? Our forecourt. When we Sakodie say we music video, be say what presidency that.
I have seen individuals, Omaba presidency, Oma taking photos, the other to social media.
Also, Bemba, we are not talking about pictures.
No.
There were still pictures.
Listen, yes, sir, you are minimizing the conversation.
To
the level, because Asema Okano is neither here nor there.
Where do you want to take the conversation?
The American say, Abrantian buy, they went through all the protocol. Or buy, or for me, certain things, or don't about a music video without the permission of the Jubilee House. And no, I apologize because protocol was, when seeking permission to do that. But the cameras were allowed to follow him there.
Okay.
And he took some features unexpected.
Okay.
And we apologize.
Thank you.
Let's leave it there.
Also, Bempa, I'm a star of Adom FM. I'm a radio presenter. My Jubilee House is here with my cameras. Would I be allowed to do what this gentleman did?
Well, it depends on you. Are there any journalists, people? Omaba press conferences, film some parts of the Jubilee House. Why stand up? It's not permitted, but they did a stand up. They did a lot of filming there.
But you know the stand up is part of our work to report from the Jubilee House.
Not all the time is permitted. Not all the time.
Okay, so then Imam permitted this gentleman to do it.
That is why he has apologized.
No, it is not about the apology. So are you saying that anybody, any star, also Bemba, take it easy. Take it easy, Bemba. Please, also Bemba, take it easy. Listen to me first. Thank you. Are you saying that any star or artist can walk to the Jubilee House with cameras?
Never.
Once on the cameras, say crime.
Protocol permission. The guy didn't walk out from outside there, no free one to be Jubilee House or just all from me.
He's not the only person who walked to Jubilee House with protocol permission. I have followed people with protocol permission.
Jubilee House, I want to keep pictures of the forecourt and the hall and the lounge and the outer perimeter. Or the other two.
Also,
the only person.
Do you know the difference between a picture and a video?
I know the difference.
Thank you. So, is this a picture?
At the social media. And you can check.
I know more saying. I know more. Yes.
Some of them met the president. They have the videos of them with the president. Some of them have the Yomashia president. And now I came to the Jubilee House and take care at that social media.
Also, but this video, was it before meeting the president or after meeting the president?
That one I can't tell.
You can't tell. So you have no idea whether Nweshia president.
They say all that we know is that we'll go through all the protocol procedures and we'll go inside to go meet the president.
So we should just accept his apology. So is he apologizing on behalf of government?
No, he's not apologizing on behalf of government.
He has apologized.
He's apologizing, say, on one him say, permission was not granted to him.
Okay.
He has man any permission to do what he did.
Okay.
Apologizing.
And now
the reasons our my no idea ni motive any adwenepa na ikinachiri and no is very important and no na e call back na babisi the yen nyina ye kan say the year of return the susansua e deba any the visit of these superstars susansua e deba Ghana any e ho infrastructure e deba Ghana and no any here and no ye be sre Ghana for say yem ya dwene ni ani nko kaka na ye hu say esusanso pa ebibia butai papa bia ebepa say a lot of rap stars back in the day all these celebrities America Obiti says Steve Harvey, Ray Cross, all these Conan O'Brien, these are millionaires in America.
Ozubemba, help me.
First time in history.
Ozubemba, help me. And your foreigners when a bit to me are selling Ghana. I also want to sell Ghana.
No, that one I disagree with you. Because and your foreigners, they bit me.
And your foreigners, please listen to me. And your foreigners, in a bit to me, I sell Ghana. Thank you. I'm a proud Ghanaian. I want to sell Ghana. Would you lead me to go and do a music video at the Jubilee House? I want to sell Ghana.
You want to sell Ghana?
Yes.
Of course, if you go to the diaspora unit and you have all the protocol access, why not?
Also,
there's nothing wrong with that.
McMill has apologized to Ghanaians. He wants us to accept the apology. Now, what is the presidency telling Ghanaians?
Minia, the most important thing in Amakachi is say, very important. Say, have visit here. Emranti ni superstars ni Wiasma Fanang na Oma Bagana Omuyeno.
Also, Bemba, you've not answered my question. The guy has apologized to Ghanaians. What is the presidency telling Ghanaians? But once the guy has apologized, it means he erred. So the president will be silent about the fact that foreigner be buyer apologizing to Ghanaians should take it like that. Is that what you are saying?
Name the head and tail of what you're saying.
Thank you, Owusu Bempa. We wish you well. Happy New Year. Ernest Owusu Bempa, a deputy communications director for the New Patriotic Party. Ahaya Adom 106.3 FM. 44 minutes after 8.
Asempa unim
confusing more time
time ready aso ye be sorry. Enkoma oni Owusu Bempa yedi.
Yeah.
Onipa nankasa na ye involved wade ye ye mu de na waye. Wabe pacho and the video he has we're pulling it down. Into the defense no every hefa. At the end of the day, no so nipa no oye the right and if it is right to say, obeko jina presidents would to sana monwa and can so pulling it down in the first place. And can so be apologizing or say on the first time now onimu said ye hano no and to say any adie. So what I say asempa to defend this no minimum the Owusu Bempa pesi oka to date minimum the sebi and kreta be free presidency you jina hin sa hyase aba amenya bi nkan de a ebia na wo de wonya bi akan ya fine but to date no omon ka hwenkyere yen de yenima ne say video no advantage no ye baby ode kwoto ye no eno achi so wasan ko tweet de apagana fo achew e wadamo no aniamo ho ade na obeye ye no so why is he defending this?
Defend it
why is he defend because I MPP
no ene ma nipa kro kwan ma na yes ani amo ho ye no
da bi na me ba na protocol krompa me na mo nhyehyɛ so na protocol so ena me de bedru ho enti ba the video na kita ye de esa pimpim form no obi aso obi ahunu de course so our presidency
na enye on away there is something a friend say on away say bia wo ko no bi twa na tiko na bibia ba ni pa na ho a wo sa toto ne nsa che say ko fo ye bibia nti say na security guard bi
asempa Owusu Bempa chance say ya na nkobo no be ya na dama onya communication on sa issue we sa asem we no many nko platform bia so enko ka ho asem biem because you cannot defend the indefensible enye bibia na defend ade bi wo hono ma sama amunyi ntum ti enti eba politicians a sa wo fum ade na si kwan sa wo je wo fum so tum enti na ye den enti Ghana for hunu de akoso abrante de be patch on de oye ne ye na body bia ni ho na bibia nsine kwan so oya ade na opulling it down pressure ben na kwa no so opulling it down aya Ghana for kwa pressure and na pressure from the presidency and na kwa Mickey Mele ne ho e ma no e video ni free ho. We shouldn't be doing these things. Why must we defend everything? How Ghana for nyen kwara sa wo say Ghana for nyen kwara sa and those days Ghana for no onim ne no Ghanaians are the same and Ghanaians so ya dwe kwa kire ne etinye bibia na obetum na de bia no you want to defend where defend it
oye na djuma
say I attempt the totally to Ghanaians
on say communications in sanity
but to the bia only person so involved not to why there one patch
enti bi kobusa Kofi say
what is this
on na frɛ Owusu Bempa na say ofre na omode na ma na so oni ye ne ni nkomo because me hwɛ nkomo no a asa kwasi ka ne no de ato bi one asa Owusu Bempa amwa no ho ansa no wo ba
asa odi obi akɔte na examination ho na bia wasua mass ya no akɔfa French ato na ni
one ya one in fact say ono no omode be ya sa damage control we ya MPP for this to come again.
You cannot defend this. And what should baby or them come on and I'm not crumple now. I just say honestly. I'm disappointed. That be no so ye too many ye.
It's not me say ono na presidency. I don't know kebe sa.
Me was surprised deputy communication the my party never responded to president's issue. Now that you join your when krata ben na no ya yera lanche man resign ya o man pani di acceptance letter but when say the next year.
There be some
when say the next year. So what you say
this damage control no emu oduche Owusu Bempa yesre wo mo emu odu ampa Kofi Jai emu odu sine no empa boa ne so chen no
masa
say presidency na agent say Owusu Bempa on best damage control where they are joking because secondly he was not prepared before coming
no presidency ho no
but you jinahen omofa formal letter mra
enka
we yankenkan bi
enka me kwanka menya problem say bia make million delete video no na all me apologize to Ghanaians enka de also bempeye problem bi ani ho but onipa na oye involved na hunu said your ye na anamo na wotu ye no enye video no ye free ho wa be pacha why are you still defending this? If it is right, I'm going to tell you don't repost video no delete you know. As simple as that.
Kwesi, ye ko Jubilee House. Best me yan kwa ye ko twa music.
Ye na ye be twa video no.
Ye ko twa selfie.
Me so dim say dem asa.
If you ko me do any one security ka tell me say ma me twa selfie wo ho me no mo.
As empower selfie. Ye tie ye na Caleb Kuda ye colleague o
wo chesi no wo city.
Eno krompo no nyempo se presidency ye se national security yard zone
mu.
Wakwa twa kasa ye kwa krabadi Ghana fo sika kwa krakasa na ba ayesi ho ma abonto ankura eni kise da age kan ma fa. Wakwa twa video wankwankwaje permission. Ade ne anfa yamro na ntam na nkwankosi national security for office.
Rambo arrest.
Ade ne see ye. So why are you telling us that the presidency no obi etumi kwa fe ni ba bi ekwojo ko twa video. How?
Me pacho.
Ye ko twa skelewu.
Madam ase.
Amon twa ye ba. Skelewu ye be twa videos no.
Mesrew next time. Yeah, why? We pa bwana so sene no.
Ansa na me kono pacho pa. Me ma Grace Appentin. Wose no kranie osu bempa branch ye no. Na no pensem na wakeka wo hanom no. Wose entwa ye wasabna mu tu pa. Wose se shame papa.